ideas, Vicostone is launching 7 new colors that are being featured in all their 3 collections. 3 of those new colors will be offered in a honed finish. They are called Tartufo, Olympus White, and Naxos. Honed just means that the surface of the finish of the quartz is like a matte, soft texture as opposed to shiny, which is called polished. There's also 4 new colors in a polished finish, and they are called Valley White, Gray Savoy, Thunder Blue, and Argento. I personally am very excited to be here and see all these new colors, as I use a lot of this product with my clients for its durability and choice of options. And one of my personal favorite is called Arabescado, and I love it because of its true reflection of the veining that looks like real Calcutta marble.